Hi. Hello to part 2 because I'm going to make my bedroom drawing. This is the paper. I'm going to draw now, guys. This is my pen. Wait, guys. I'm going to draw now. This is the one video I made. This is my brother's side and crib, and that is his room. Now to make my bedroom. Now this is my bed. Okay guys, look, this is my bed. Oh, now I'm going to put my shoes. Why you doing this? Wait lang guys. Kukuhain ko lang yung eraser ko. Wala muna ako dito. Konti. Ko. Tapos i-post mo, Mimi, ah. Huh? Tapos i-post mo yan, ah. I'm doing my wall cats. Because I love cats. They're so cute. I'm doing Shiromi. I love Shiromi. That's my favorite song, darling. Now, this is the part 2. This is done. Guys, this is the part 2 room. Hi guys, wait for part 3. It's my mom and dad bedroom. Bye. Go down. Bye.